In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DocuSign custom fields to build envelopes and templates faster in this 2025 guide. If you're looking to streamline your workflow in DocuSign, custom fields are a powerful feature to understand and implement. Let's get started to make your document signing processes more efficient. First, let's navigate to where all the custom field magic happens. Begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, move your attention to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Go to Settings. This action will take you to a new page. Look to the left side where you'll see various options. Under the section labeled Signing and Sending, locate and click on Custom Fields. This is your first step towards creating a more tailored and efficient documentation process. Now that you're in the Custom Fields area, it's time to create your new field. Find the Add New Field button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter several details crucial for the functionality you want. Start by giving your field a name, perhaps something like Contract ID. It should be instantly recognizable for its intended use. Next, choose the field type. Whether it's a text box, a checkbox, a number field, a date field, or perhaps a drop-down menu, each option has its specific use. You can also set a default value for your field. This is optional, but can save time, especially if there's a common entry. Consider adding validation rules. For example, you could require that only numbers be entered or make it a required field for signing documents. If you want other team members to use this field, you'll want to toggle on the shared option. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your settings are applied. Once you have your custom fields ready, organizing them is key for efficient retrieval. Group your fields by category, whether it's finance, legal, or HR. Creating a system so you can quickly locate what you need is critical. A helpful tip is to use naming conventions such as HR Employee ID or fin invoice number. These conventions will allow anyone using the system to search and find the fields they need without hassle. Let's move on to actually using your custom fields in templates. Open an existing template or create a new one. In the Prepare view, head over to the left panel and click on Custom Fields. Here you can drag your stored custom field like Start Date onto the document. You should then position and resize it according to the document's layout. Once satisfied, save your template. This process ensures it's now a reusable template with all your preset fields, saving you significant time in future document preparations. Finally, let's discuss how to utilize these custom fields in envelopes. Begin with starting a new envelope and adding your documents to it. When you reach the stage of preparing fields for signing, remember to open the Custom Fields tab. Here, you can simply drag and drop your reusable fields directly onto the document rather than building new ones from scratch each time. Assign these fields to the appropriate signers and you're all set. By following these steps, you can make your DocuSign experience smoother and more organized, saving yourself and your team undisputably precious time. Whether you're handling a few documents or numerous filings, mastering custom fields is a step towards a more efficient digital signing process.